Hello everyone, my name is Mason, and today we will learn two not true stories about the call of the shofar that the Rebbe said and what we can learn from it. On Rosh Hashanah, Hashem says, "Coronate me and make me your king by blowing the shofar." Here is two not true stories which we can learn stuff from about the call of the shofar.
My son, I'm sending you on a journey through the land so that when you're king, you know better about the country and how to run the land. Bye, my son. The taxi is waiting for you with all your belongings.
Bye, Tati. Please bring me to Springfield. Okay.
3 years later.
Who is my father? Oh, now I remember. It's the king. I don't even remember the language of the capital where my father lives. Well, whatever. I better get going to the palace. Where do you think you're going? He won't let me in unless I tell him I'm the prince. But how would I do that? I don't remember the language. And he, anyways, wouldn't believe me. So what would have been the point of telling him I'm the prince?
Open up. Come in, my son.
Here is the second and last not true story.
How do I get back to my palace? Oh, I'll ask that man. He looks very wise. Excuse me, do you know how to get to the capital? The path behind me leads to the capital. The man is guilty for doing the thing which we mentioned before that the king doesn't like.
Please, could the king wear the same clothes as he wore when he was lost in the forest and I found him? And please, could I wear the same clothes as I wore when I found the king lost in the forest? When Hashem approached all the nations and offered them the Torah, no one wanted it, except for the Jews. On Rosh Hashanah, when we blow the shofar, Hashem is reminded of how he offered the Torah to all the nations. And no one wanted it except for the Jews. And then immediately Hashem forgives us and our relationship is restored. The difference of the stories is that the prince must go out and return to his father, and he calls with an inner cry, and his call is heard by the king, and he recognizes the voice of his son calling to return. In the second story, it was the Jews who desired Hashem's Torah, expressing the greatness of a Jew. These two things are achieved through blowing the shofar. We coronate Hashem as our king through returning to him, and at the same time we remind him of our worth by blowing the shofar. Oh, you're still here? Bye. The end.